Behavioral ecology is just a subset of ecology. Any topic that you can study as an ecological topic, you can study through the lens of how the animals behave. We're focused on topics, and different animals can tell us different things about particular concepts. Today, we're collecting animals for our predator-prey studies, and the animals that we're looking at are aquatic larval salamanders, and it turns out they eat each other. We're interested in determining how the ones that get eaten, what they can do to increase their probability of surviving. What we found was that what they're exposed to as embryos while they're still in the egg can influence their behavior after they hatch. So they're actually able to learn as embryos. In my lab, everybody has their own little piece of the puzzle to solve, and so everybody does their own projects. They have to take care of the animals, feed them, and then they actually do the behavioral experiments. So they'll take the behavioral data and analyze the data and write it up.
You know, we're all doing our own projects, but we all help each other out, and we've kind of become a little bit of a family because we all hang out in the lab together when we're not doing anything. It's a lot of fun, and it's a good environment to learn and do research. I'm working on a project to see if stress on the Ozark zigzag salamander, if that stress can change the gut bacteria cultures. This is the first time that anybody's stressed salamanders and checked their gut bacteria. It's kind of cool.
My research looks at how fish can communicate with other species using alarm cues in their skin. So it's all predator-prey interactions. That actually shows that fish are a lot smarter than people give them credit for. I've been with Dr. Mathis for 3 years. I started for her just as an undergrad, helping out another grad, and I came in and I was really sure I didn't want to work on fish at all, and then that's what I ended up doing. And I found I had a real passion in that. Now I want to go do all that stuff, and it's all thanks to my advisor.
Students, I think, have a natural interest in animal behavior, but usually when they come into my lab, they're not quite sure what it's all about and what they're going to do. And so probably the most exciting thing for me is watching their passion grow as they get more and more involved in the study. And maybe it starts out as just coming out in the field and helping us collect. This sort of ignites a little spark. And that spark gets just bigger and bigger and bigger the more involved they get in the particular study. And so by the time they leave the lab, they're really active scientists. And that is such a wonderful thing to experience, is watching them go from a very uncertain student, not knowing at all what they're going to be doing, to someone who's a professional, who can walk into a lab or walk into another graduate program and really know what they're doing and be excited and enthusiastic about it.